Here's how to pay with Zelle in the Bank of America mobile banking app. I will be using this app right here. It works on Android phone and even your computer. It's really easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is you actually open up the app like I've done so here. Where from here, all you need to do to actually access Zelle and make a payment is you just need to first click on the pay and transfer mode on the top or the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Once you click on that, you just want to click on Zelle, which is in the very middle of the screen, either send or receive, and you just click on that. You can even do wire transfer on the right-hand side, but we just want to click on the Zelle option, and you can actually search for the person that you want to send this to. You can even split a bill. I'm going to send this. I want to send $10 to my friend. So once you do that, you can actually choose anyone from your contacts or add a name, phone, or email here, and you can just click on it, and it will actually bring you to this panel like so, where you can type in the amount of money that you want to give them. Click on continue, and this will make the payment to the person using Zelle. And they will receive a text message immediately, assuming this is a phone number, or an email if they're using an email. The transaction will show up immediately in your account.